The 17-year-old died of a prescription drug overdose back in June 2013, 1 week shy of her 18th birthday. Tonight, family and friends tell me they are relieved this day in court has finally arrived.
It's been 2 years. 2 years is a long time. It's a long time to handle something that's so severe.
In those 2 years, Shaylee Dainty has carried the memory of Aaliyah everywhere she goes. Best friends since the 2nd grade.
We've done everything together.
But Dainty did not join Aaliyah the night she consumed a deadly amount of methadone inside this house in Grimes.
I live with that with myself every day. If I would have been there, it would have never happened. I think she was around unresponsible people.
Specifically, 25-year-old Patrick Glade. He's charged with involuntary manslaughter. When he and his friends found Aaliyah unresponsive, they called her mom, not 911.
I just kind of fell to the ground and I just couldn't breathe. I couldn't even scream out. It was just like all the air was gone.
Holly Spangler called for help and was there when medics arrived and tried to save her daughter, but it was too late.
I think a lot of people are scared that they're going to be responsible. But if the police or the ambulance or 911 period would have been called, it would have bought people time.
And that's what jurors will consider in trial this week. The methadone was prescribed to Glade. Prosecutors contend he acted recklessly that night, causing the unintentional death of another person.
Aaliyah's mother testifies tomorrow. The prosecution is slated to call her to the stand as a witness. I did speak with Glade's defense attorney tonight. He tells me he cannot comment until after the trial is over. Live downtown tonight, Ryan Smith, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.